Alright, I just got my Influencer Vox Box. This is the Sunshine Box. And I've got a coupon for free bark thins. A full-size package of Dickinson's Original Witch Hazel Cleansing Cloths. What is this? Infusium Moisture Replenisher Leave-In Smoothing Cream, Avocado and Olive Oil. A full-size Vaseline Intensive Care Spray Moisturizer in Aloe. Blue Diamond Sriracha. I don't know how to say that. Almonds. What is this? Sinful Colors Nail Polish in Southern Belle. And three $3 coupons for Dickinson's products. So, that's what I just got in the mail today from Influencer.